Another interesting thing, this Australia group. Australia group, another is Wassenaar arrangement. Okay. Australia group and Wassenaar arrangement. Okay. Two interesting terms because India has become member of these two recently. That is why I am picking up this. And what is this all about? So, this Australia group, let me first talk about Australia group. Australia group was created or it was formed in 1985 and it was initiated by Australia, that is why it is called Australia group, and it is a voluntary organization. Okay. Australia group is a voluntary organization and most of the members of the Australia group are European Union EU members. Even though the name is Australia, it is not the countries surrounding Australia participated, most of them are European Union members. Their main aim is to prevent the illegal spreading of chemical and biological weapons. To prevent, what is the aim? To prevent the illegal spreading of chemical and biological weapons. Even though these are banned, this terrorist organizations and countries like North Korea or questionable countries with questionable track record, they should not be able to get hold of these kind of weapons. See, even after signing, they may be trying to hold of it, to get hold of it. Okay. So, the aim is to prevent the spread of, prevent the illegal spread of chemical and biological weapon. The idea is to prevent the illegal spread of chemical and biological weapons and also to coordinate, to control and coordinate. Another aim is to control and coordinate, the national weapon policies of the member countries, coordinate the national weapon policies, to control and coordinate the national weapon policies regarding this chemical and biological weapons and other agents, so that the non-state actors control and coordinate the national weapon policies, so that non-state actors and countries with questionable track record should not get hold of these weapons, okay, and should not cannot access these weapons. That is the idea behind this. And India joined this. In fact, this idea of India joining this Australia group came up when President Obama visited India in 2010. When President Obama visited India in 2010. So, at that time this idea came, or rather Obama proposed that India can be a member, proposed that the US is also a member of Australia group, and the US said that US will propose India's name to be a member of the Australia group, because India is a responsible country, and India became the 43rd member of Australia group. Okay. India became the 43rd member of the Australia group, and India joined in January 2018. Finally, even though Obama talked about it in 2010, it took many years, some process, and one thing about this Australia group is the decisions are taken unanimously, meaning there cannot be any, all rest 42 countries at that time agreed. The decisions are taken unanimously. decisions are to be taken, and there is no specific charter or rules for Australia Group, no specific charter or rules. Any new member can be accommodated only through consensus. India was accommodated through consensus, and normally Australia Group regularly meets in Paris, even though the name is Australia Group. Their meeting is held in Paris, and as I told you, and the US offered its when this Australia Group's membership to India in 2010. Finally, we managed to get it in 2018, January 2018. And again, what is the benefit? The benefit is, it is a club of rich countries, responsible countries, developed countries, democratic countries. So this is an indication, if they are offering us a seat in this club, India, there is a good track record, or rather it shows our credibility. It shows India's credibility among the powerful and the what you call developed countries and developed democracies of the world. So we are also becoming a member, means we are not accused of any spreading of chemical weapon or biological weapon. That is why we are allowed to, or we are invited to sit in that club. That shows India is a responsible country in this world. It shows the responsibility. Okay, so that is how we got in January 2018. We became a member, even though it is offered in 2010. Similarly, this Wassenaar arrangement, in this arrangement also, there is another club, it is a voluntary club, and Wassenaar is a place in Netherlands. Okay, it is a place in Netherlands near The Hague. Okay, it is a satellite town of The Hague, and it is a multilateral export control regime. It is an export control regime to prevent the export, okay, export control regime, or focusing on all weapons. Okay, here they are not specifically mentioning about chemical weapon, biological weapon, nuclear weapon, nothing. It is focusing on all weapons. It is an export control regime focusing on all weapons and even dual purpose technology. Okay, not only weapons, even dual purpose technology. Dual purpose technology means the technology which can be used for weapons and the technology which can be used for peaceful purpose also. Say one simple example is a laser printing. Laser can also be used as a weapon, a bomb, okay, or a supercomputer. Supercomputers can be used for weather forecasting. Supercomputers can be used also for even atom bomb making. So there are double use, but dual purpose. So the export, it's an export control regime. Any weapon or any dual purpose technology, again, it should not land, or it should not be, it should not find its way into the hands of terrorists or dubious governments. The governments with questionable track record, dubious governments like the North Korean government. Okay. So the government which is accused of supporting terrorism or terrorist activities like that. Okay. So the idea is it is an export control regime, Wassenaar arrangement. So same thing, including there is no special mention about chemical weapon or biological weapon or nuclear weapon, nothing. All weapons, all technology, or even any dual purpose technology, anything can come into picture. This Wassenaar arrangement came into force in 1996, and again a membership was offered by Obama, President Obama, when he visited in India in 2010, and India became 42nd country to join this arrangement. This we could do in December 2017. Sorry, yeah, we joined in December 2017. Okay, India is the 42nd country, and it was offered, this membership was offered to India by President Obama when he visited India. So, that is what is known as this Wassenaar arrangement. See, again, what will happen? It is a voluntary club. The only thing is it shows the credibility of a country. It improves the credibility of the country and nothing else. Okay. So, that is how the Wassenaar arrangement and Australia group.